How to add YouTube to Android home screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure YouTube is installed on a device. If it's not installed, go to the Play Store. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type YouTube. Then click on search. Now tap on YouTube. If it's not installed, simply tap on install. Or if it's already installed, simply tap on if any update is available. Then go back to the home screen. Now to add YouTube to the home screen, open up your app drawer. Now scroll down. Now keep holding the YouTube icon. Now swipe across the home screen. Now place it on the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.